We finally made it all the way to the end. Oh, I didn't realize there's more questions. I thought there'd only be 12. Oh, there's 18. Hey, I'll keep going. I'll check back on part 1. I only did 12. Maybe there's more there too. Surprise. Okay, so there's 18 questions. So let's look at 12. Suppose that 1,500 is borrowed for 3 years at an interest rate of 6% per year, compounded continuously. Find the amount owed, assuming no payments are made until the end. Not round any intermediate computations and round your answers to the nearest cent. So for this one, we're going to have to remember the continuous compounding formula. Go here. I remember it as PERT because there used to be a shampoo called PERT, and that's how we sort of remembered it. It was very popular in my day back in the 80s. The 1980s, not the 1880s. Okay, so PERT is PE to the RT. That's continuously compounding, and that gives an accumulated value. And so what the principal is, we start off with is 1,500. Interest rate is 6% per year, compounded continuously. If we don't make any payments, this will calculate the amount accumulated over that time period. Okay, so the accumulated value of this loan, same thing as if it was an investment, right? Because no payments are being made. Principal is 1,500. E, the rate is 6%, so that as a number, the two little zeros here on the percent means to divide by 100. So 6 divided by 100 gives us 0.06. Or just move the decimal place over 2 places, right? That's how we do it. But the reason we do is because we're dividing by 100, 0.6. And then the tricky part is it's borrowed for 3 years, so the T is time. So we're going to do this for 3 years. So it's just a calculation. Actually, I guess we do that all up in there. So we just need to plug this in, and that will give us our value. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's come to our second quit, get to the calculating part, clear out the old stuff. 1,500. Parentheses E, there's our E here. Find out that that's the natural number, it's not a variable. We have our 0.06 times 3. Since it's in this one's all up there, you might need a parentheses if not. So get your grouping symbols correct, depending upon which version of the calculator you have, and or how your calculator works. But we hit enter. $1,795. Rounding, so there's 82 cents, so the 8 will make the 5 into a 6. So 1796. 1796. On this one, an addendum to number 12, this is not the right answer. I rounded to the nearest dollar. Maybe many of you made this similar error. And I figured it out when I hit continue, and it told me, be careful, round. So what I'm going to do, well, actually, I can still go in there. I just need to round it to the nearest cent, which is 0.82. That's the cents. So the 2 gets rounded up. This just needs to be 0.95 or 1795.83. Okay, that's the rounding that they wanted on this one. Okay. Now, and I'll show you, I'll hit continue and I won't get that error message. To the next one. There we go. No error message. I'm glad they gave us an error message because I wouldn't have found that one till the end. Take care.